Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Kluger. So this one is engine light is on. So you can see they stay on the engine light. So we have to do the first scan the system, then have a look what is the code in they stored it. So I put my scan tool. I have to go to the scan tool. We have to find the code. What is the code? Okay, the Toyota enter. That's the code, the p1660, the air bleed control circuit. So okay, this code telling to us the air bleed control circuit, the malfunction. So I think it's this related to the for the cooling fan circuit, where the cooling fan relay should be. We have to check or replace whatever we can do. As cooling fan circuit, need to like check that area, but I reckon first check the basic stuff. So like normally we can find like solenoid valve. So let's go have a look. So actually I found the problem. There was some the wire is like coming, take it out. So you have to check first this valve. You can see the one pin is take it out. So you can see the air bleeding valve. This one wire is broken here. So you have to fix this one first, then have a look at the cord gone. See, off the connectors, you can see the inside pin is going pushing backward. This pin is broken inside. You have to fix somehow. We now already put the wire back together, and this check all the vacuum lines, everything, any vacuum leaks on somewhere, any wire. So yeah, you have to don't go to the bigger thing. You have to check for the basic thing. That normally that p1660 code, the air bleeding code, should be causing this valve or this connector is broken or wire broken, wire damage. So back to the scanner, then you have to do the erase the code. You can see the DTC phase will be cleared as soon as continue. Yes, the clear code. Yeah, all good. All the codes gone. You can turn off the car back again and start. So you check like everything in there. All good. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.